If you have strong feelings about fashion, big ideas on new films, a controversial stance on toothpaste, they want to hear you. So come and express your opinion. Feel free, say it the way it is and get paid for being your true self. Hello guys, in this video, we'll be looking at the 10 best online surveys for money. There are a lot of survey websites online, but most of them are dubious. They don't pay you. So in this video, I want to show you the 10 best survey websites that actually pay real money, either by cash or by gift voucher. You know that survey is an easy way of making money online because you are at the comfort of your house, fill some forms and get paid for doing it. And if you can watch this video to the end, I will give you 10 other survey websites that are excellent for making more money online. I'll also give you 3 tips on how to maximize your earning through survey. So whether you're a student, you're a teenager or you're a kid, hey, make money today by registering on this survey website, taking the survey and get paid for expressing your opinion. All the links to this survey will be attached in the description box of this video. So feel free to go and check them out. Just before we start, don't forget to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, smash the share button, and let's get started. The top of the list is branded surveys. You can clearly see that you get paid for your opinion with branded survey. You can either join with Facebook or by signing up with your email address and earn cash by completing the online surveys. It just involves 3 processes: sign up, verify, and cash out. As easy as that, and you'll be good to be making money. If you want to know more, you can watch their video on the website. Get rewarded either by BPay, Amazon, PayPal, or by Visa. Is rated about 4.5 on Trustpilot. It's our best survey to make money online. The second best survey to make money online is Toluna. Let's jump right in and see what Toluna is about. Toluna influencers. Influence your world. Your voice plus our voice, the voice of change. Get started. This is where you register, inspire, share, and gain. Personal opinion can become the inspiration that others need, and they help to put your ideas into the right ears. With great feedback comes great rewards. I love that because expressing your opinion is not enough, but getting paid for your opinion, that's the magic. The third best survey for making money online is the popular Swagbucks. Subscribe to my channel because I'll be making a deep dive analysis on Swagbucks, exploiting the 10 best way of making money through Swagbucks. But for now, let's have an overview. So they say put cash back in your wallet. You can join for free by filling your email address or by going through Facebook. You can get free gift card and cash for the everyday things you do online, either through M&S, Amazon, or PayPal. You earn points when you shop online. You earn points when you watch entertaining videos. You earn points when you search the web. You earn points when you answer surveys. And you earn points as you are watching my video. You can see how much they have paid their members so far. Wow, over 3 million pounds. I can't wait to sign up now and start collecting this money. What about you? The next survey for making money online is smash the like button. The next survey for making money online is Life Points. You can see your opinion, your future. Take survey to shape future products and services and get paid for it. Start today and we'll give you 10 life points to kick off your earning. So they give you points, and when you reach a certain number of points, it's being converted to cash and they pay it into your account. And to earn on life point is as easy as 1, 2, 3. I'll even say it's as easy as ABC. Sign up, you take the survey and you get rewarded. And it's similar for all these 10 surveys that are contained in this video. Sign up, take the survey and get rewarded. If you want to know more about LifePoint, you can see that LifePoint community is an exciting group of like-minded consumers who shares a passion for building a better world and experiencing the value of their opinions. We have members from over 40 countries shaping how the world will look tomorrow and for years to come. So you can register on LifePoint today and shape how the future will look like for all of us. You are not just making money, but you are making the world a better place through your opinion. Another survey to make money online is through OnePool. I love this home design. It's so beautiful. The power of opinion. So OnePool applies the art and science of asking questions to create unique insights. They specialize in intelligent research. They have blogs, case studies, PR surveys, solutions, scripting and data, and every other thing you can find on their website. And it's fast, flexible, and robust. Their specialization is in intelligent research, interacting daily with our trusted and engaged panel to deliver richer, more valuable insights. They don't just post your questions, they design them. It's a full service agency and create customized solution for all your PR, marketing, and market research needs. You can make money by registering today and get paid for it. If you are interested in making more money, you can register on I Say. I Say is simply about sharing your opinion and earning rewards. It's an online survey community with over 3 million members celebrating the power of voice. Remember, these surveys I'm showing you have been tested and proven they actually pay once you reach the minimum threshold of payment. So these are the rewards that are available. You don't only answer posts, you can also create your own. Here, whoa, it looks very engaging. I can't wait to register. Another survey for making money online is Inbox Dollars for those of us in the US, and for those of us in the UK, it's called Inbox Pounds. You can earn £1 bonus just for signing up. Be rewarded for taking surveys and for searching the web. How does it work? Brand pay them for consumer input. They recruit you and I. You take the surveys, watch videos and more. Then you earn cash. You can also make more money by using Populous Live. It's an online survey website. They are the community that allows you to earn pounds in return for your time completing survey. As a member, you'll be financially rewarded for participating in their surveys and enjoy several other benefits. The members have received more than £11 million in incentive payout since 2010. Everything's available on their website for you to go and check them out. Remember, these websites are verified. They actually do pay. Opinion Outpost is a popular survey website that people get paid for completing surveys. You can join, and there are over 2 million members already. If you don't know about them, you can read their story and see some common questions that people ask. It's available on mobile, desktop, and tablet. They offer points per survey, and the points are converted to money. More information on that is on their website. I like Opinion Outpost. The last and not the least is Valued Opinions. You earn gift card, vouchers, and more by sharing your point of view with brands across the world. And just like the other ones we've seen, there are 3 steps. You register for free, participate in survey, and earn rewards. The more you respond to survey, the more you are paid. If you have strong feelings about fashion, big ideas on new films, a controversial stance on toothpaste, they want to hear you. So come and express your opinion. Feel free, say it the way it is, and get paid for being your true self. You earn £5 every time you take an online survey. We pay out when you weigh in. Wow, £5 for each survey. That's huge. 3 tips on how to maximize your earning using survey. The first tip I would go for is create a new email address for these surveys. You don't want the email that will be sending to be clashing with your personal email. So create a new email address for free to be taking surveys. So the second tip I will give to you in order to maximize your earning through survey is register on multiple surveys. Some of them can give you a survey once in a week or once in a month. But since you want to maximize your earning, I will advise you to go for multiple surveys. Don't just go for 1 or 2 or 3. Go for multiple surveys, as many as you can. And the final tip I'll give to you in order to maximize your earning on survey is do not pay money to register. Do not pay money to enroll. If they're asking money from you, hey, it's fictitious. Don't go for it. Any survey that asks money from you is not for you. So run from it. Online surveys pay you, you don't pay them. So if any survey is asking for money for you to sign up, no matter the promise they're giving you, do not pay money. Do not pay money. And since you've watched this video to this point, I'll give you 10 more surveys for you to check out. Pincon Research, Tribal Panel, Price Rebel, Market Agent, YouGov, Panel Base, Mingle Surveys, Survey Bonds, The Opinion Panel Community, New Vista Life, Hyven, Panel Opinion, Prolific Academic. The last and not the least is iPool. So kindly check out each of these surveys, register, take the survey, and get paid. And don't forget to tell me your opinion of your experience with these surveys in the comment section of this video. And as always, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, smash the share button, and let's get started.